This year, Sony is preparing to introduce an update to its flagship line, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. And, given the company's extremely conservative policy, the changes compared to the previous generation will be very significant. We expect that the device will receive an updated processor, presumably Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Gen 1 Plus, and a new camera system. It will be represented by 4 lenses: a 48-megapixel main wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens of the same resolution, a 48 or 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and an unknown resolution periscope camera. And, in theory, such a camera could provide the title of the best camera phone for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. All other characteristics will duplicate the predecessor. But the main thing is not this, but the estimated price of the smartphone. Some sources say that the price, compared to the Xperia 1 Mark III, will increase by 6 to 7% and amount to $1,415 for the basic version and $1,570 for the top version. But others claim that the price will increase by 20% and amount to $1,600 for the basic variant and $1,800 for the top version. I wonder what Sony hopes for. Indeed, for such an amount, you can take the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which will be better in everything, and a couple of inexpensive Redmi for change, or the latest generation Galaxy Fold. In this situation, the purchase of Xperia 1 Mark IV seems like a crazy idea for a wealthy spender. In early March, Sony released stable firmware based on the fresh Android 12 operating system for the Xperia 1 Mark II, Xperia Pro and Xperia 5 Mark II smartphones, and now 2 more models from the Japanese manufacturer have received the opportunity to upgrade to Android 12. We are talking about the Xperia 10 Mark III and Xperia Pro I smartphones that debuted in 2021. Update 62.1.A0.533 for the Xperia 10 Mark III is already available in a number of European regions. In addition to the standard innovations of the new OS, the firmware also contains the Android security update for February 2022. The flagship Xperia Pro I was introduced in October last year, and Android 11 is installed on it out of the box. Now the smartphone has received firmware 61.1.F2.2 based on Android 12 with March security updates. However, the update is only available in Japan. In addition, we expect that more Sony Xperia smartphones will get the update in the next few weeks. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.